Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. How are you doing all?
Alhamdulillah, good.
Hi.
Yeah, I hope everything is fine on your side and at your home. So let's start the discussion. Basically, we are here with a specific purpose today. As Sardani Shamid, our business development head, and me, social media executive at Aramsoft, designed this call so we can come to know about the activities and the planning about all the guys how you're doing at your home. So for that purpose, we have listed down some questions for you. So I will ask you one by one. So who will gonna be volunteer, or should I ask, or should I start by myself? Anyone want to volunteer, or should I start by myself?
You should
You
start
can.
with
You can.
Okay, let's start with the Ali Nawaz, our gym guy, bodybuilder, right?
So only you're
So
taking
can you hear me?
proteins, right?
छोड़ दिए सर जिम
Actions,
बंद हो गया
proteins.
Yes, big muscles.
All right.
Don't leave
Ali,
weight.
I have a question for you. Will you please
Yes.
answer us?
yes please
Okay. What is the strangest thing you have ever done while working from home? For example, have you ever been used or asked for someone else to help you to do keyboard for you while working, or you do it by yourself?
I have done some strangest things in my work from home, and as I quite work a lot in the night time, so things may happen. You know, Sir Danish is here, maybe, but still, you can sleep sometime like
You
late in the night.
do you really think this
can-
is the strangest thing you do in night? When I'm done?
Sir, I think
Okay.
we can discuss this in another tab with with Ali Shazad and Sir Danish.
All right.
Okay,
The
Ali. Ali, will you please let us know, are the work from home policies clear?
honestly, not that much, but still, we know we have to work. Like if my time duration is from 2 to 5 or 1 to 5, and then 11 to into the night. Yes, I think so. And some are clear now. Like we don't have to put that much idle time on the time doctor. And the one thing is that time doctor is looking at us in the office. There are cameras in the home. This is time doctor, and that's it. If you have the time doctor, everything is clear to you. You
You
don't.
mentioned time doctor 4 times. I guess you love it so much.
No, I don't love it. I really not love it. But
You have to be.
yes, this is the only thing. This is the only thing I think so. We are working.
Okay, okay. From the list, the last question for you is that what else do you need from your team lead or manager to do your job well while working remotely?
I think so. Sir Danish is already doing a great job, and the way in the work from home culture basically is taking us together, and daily scrum meetings, not scrum meetings, but stand-up meetings on daily basis is great. मैं तो उनको अटेंड नहीं कर पाता बिकॉज मैं लेट उठ रहा हूँ आजकल बट स्टिल I believe कि one day I will also attend that stand-up meeting, and it's great. By the way, it's great because I'm already engaged with him. If it's in night, if like we had a meeting like at 11 in the night, and he was available there, Miss Miswa was available there, so we
Night
have
engagement, Sir Danish.
Yeah.
so Miss Miswa
Okay,
was there, Sir Danish was there, so he is always available for you at any time.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
At any
Thank you.
cost.
Okay, let's move towards the Amat, our brand ambassador of KNN.
Thank you.
So, Ahmed, the very first question that I have for you, what are the two biggest challenges you are facing while working from home?
Actually, there are more than two, but okay, let's discuss the biggest ones. As mentioned, Ali, time doctor is the biggest challenge because, yeah, sometimes there is no electricity. There is no internet. So at the end, we have to see how much time there in the time doctor, because सर मैं मौत की आंख हर वक्त आपको देखती होती है, और इस सब से बाहर निकल के जो एंड पे हमें सर महमूद का वार्निंग मैसेज आता है, वो भी एक चैलेंज ही होता है. एंड द अदर वन इज ऑफ कोर्स माय स्लीप चैलेंज. Okay, I usually, when I work from home, I usually sit alone in a separate room, so that no one can disturb me, or that is itself a challenge. I feel super sleepy.
That's why you're
Okay,
always busy and
Okay,
WhatsApp.
so
Not on WhatsApp.
okay, Ahmed, so following this question, will you please let us all know, do you have all the equipment you need in your in order to do your work from home?
Yeah, I have all my equipments. I have my laptop, I have my mouse, headphones, and all. Other than Ramzan, I have my water bottle, some snacks, and most important, I have my neck pillows and my other pillows to make me feel comfort.
How about rods, dumbbells?
उनकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती अभी.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
What next?
Ahmed, one last question from you as well. Will you please let us know, if you could have the power of teleportation right now, where would you go and why?
Okay, teleport. Okay, I'm actually very inspired by a movie, Avatar. So if I have my teleportation power, so I would like to go in a world where I have my own avatar, so that I can do whatever I want without hurting myself physically.
Rub it down.
Okay, good to know.
No,
Good to
Sir,
know.
Wabra town teleport.
Please,
होना
sir,
चाहिए.
Babda.
Okay. Let's move toward the third participant. Right now we have senior system analyst with us, Abdur Rahman
Oh my
Qureshi.
God.
How are you, Abdur Rahman?
Waited.
All good?
I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Okay, will you please let us know, do you have a dedicated workspace where you can work from home?
Yes, I have my own separate corner in my house with my special official setup. So I feel like I'm working from the office these days, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, great. And what about the toy cars and all the stuff you have?
Yeah, I have all my stuff with me.
Oh my
Okay. Okay, so here is another question for you. What's
For sure.
something you are planning on doing in next year that you have never done?
Yeah, well, honestly, everything is going good, Alhamdulillah, mashallah. But now planning for a marriage, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Inshallah,
Okay,
inshallah,
okay.
inshallah.
But that's what
Uh,
we're
so,
planning last year too.
Uh, can you come again, sir?
That's what you're planning last year too. So you have to do something
Yeah.
this year.
Inshallah, you will hear good news.
Lockdown tha
Inshallah,
na,
soon.
lockdown tha last year.
Inshallah.
Guys, if you
Yeah.
have any, if any one of you have connections with Marriage Europe, please help them to connect with Abdur Rahman Qureshi.
Sir, I was reading a
Sure, we'll
post
spread
behind
the
some
word.
rickshaw.
I still
yesterday.
remember that video, like, you know, ये छोड़ा है, इसकी शादी नहीं हो रही.
This will be the last year, inshallah. Hope
तो
ये
होगी.
अब एक
आखिरी
और
साल.
बनाएंगे, ये still चढ़ा है.
Abdurrahman, I will
नहीं,
share
inshallah
with
ताला,
you.
this
चढ़ा
will-
है, इसके still शादी नहीं हो
I will
रही.
share with you one clip. In fact, I will set
Okay.
up on my status, WhatsApp status. Every man should have 4 marriages, right? And you
Okay.
have guts. You can do that, okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir. But for that, the first one is necessary, I guess.
We will find those. We will find those who will find their others.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. A very
Okay.
technical,
So, Abdurrahman-
motivated.
Okay.
आपकी होगी चार?
Abdurrahman,
Okay, ji.
and here's the last question for you.
Yeah,
Here's the
please.
last question for you, Abdurrahman. How often do you
please.
keep to a regular working schedule at home?
Yeah, for now, I work for about 9 to 5 every weekday. I might put an extra time in the evenings or on the weekends as per the requirements. Otherwise, as a remote worker, it's too easy to start working all the time. But I'm missing all those little chit chats with my colleagues, mini walks, and all those things.
Abdurrahman, don't
Okay.
worry.
We are
We
not
will
missing.
definitely call you in office soon.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah, we are ready, sir. Inshallah.
Hope for the best. Hope the
Thank
lockdown
you.
will end soon, and we will
Inshallah.
surely meet soon in the office.
Inshallah. Thank you.
Okay, here we go with Ali Shahzad, social media executive.
Hi, sir.
How are you doing? First of all, let's
Hi, Sir.
congratulate Ali Shahzad for completing his graduation. So
Thank you.
let's clap for Ali Shahzad.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Ali
एक
Shahzad,
हाथ से कौन सी clap
I have a first question for you. Do you feel there is adequate communication from your teammates and team leaders?
Obviously, it's important to have adequate communication because in the field of digital marketing, social media marketing, and lead generation, we cannot just rely on our skills. We have to qualify leads, find them. We have to like consult our managers, and whenever the situation has occurred, I've always found Danish Hamid, my manager, always supporting me in doing this task. You, Asad, as well, you have done a lot. You have also helped me a lot of times. And to be honest, communication is the main key to success. And now I literally expect a rise of 25% salary from Sir Danish Hamid.
Fired.
And that's
from his
amazing.
personal account.
Yes, from
Sure,
and
sure.
ED as well.
Viditi.
Thank you, sir. With ED.
Okay, as we all know that you really love your pink blanket, so I have a
Obviously,
next
the
question
Mickey
for you.
Mouse one. I'd
But-
love to show that one.
Yeah, I know.
He's
So
the
what's
star,
your
he's the
attitude
star.
towards? Yes. So and my question for you is, what is your attitude towards work? Why do you like working from your bed?
All right, so working from the bed is something like it is really easy to do. You do not have to commute to everyday distances. You have to just wake up, rub your eyes, and start your daily routine. You have to turn the laptop on, start working. However, it isn't my favorite at all. Whenever you're in office environment, the things there are really productive. You have colleagues working there. Over here in the house, it's something really a cumbersome situation where you can find yourself like mates coming all over, blackouts, fluctuating internet issues. So that's not a good scene, but I prefer hybrid scenarios in which a person
Maybe
works
you are
remotely.
alone in your home.
As well
Maybe
as-
that something because of that.
That's the reason, sir. I'd really love your company with me. I'm literally alone right now.
Gali, most of the times when we call you, we found your blanket in the air. So what is the magic band?
So can you
Aladdin
show me?
ka
All right,
Chirag.
all right. So the magic behind my blanket was that I usually work while laying down. And whenever my leg goes off the wrist, so I just tend to pull it back. so, so
भाई तुम्हारी
You
Mali
can
हरकतें
give the
work from home
demonstration
वाली।
after this call to Asad Nadir. He tried a lot.
Absolutely.
can you
Absolutely.
can we make this
Absolutely.
session more productive?
Otherwise, you
but-
should mention this. Please don't try this at home.
Don't worry.
Or
We
sir,
will
or
not-
sir, there must be a tag of 18 plus.
Obviously, that's
Yeah.
important.
Yeah, that's very
And-
important.
Pakar's show use headphones only.
All right. So,
Okay.
who's next? Who's
Here is
next? Who's
the
next?
last participant, Ms. Misbah Khan, Business Development Executive. So, Ms. Misbah, will you please let us know how satisfied are you with your current work from home arrangement?
So far arrangement is concerned, yeah, I'm pretty much happy with that because I have already had this study table and very ergonomic, working chair. And because you are working at home, so you have the liberty to, if you are tired, you can switch spaces, you can go to living room and sit on sofa or whatever you want to. You have cushions and everything. So for arrangement and concern, yeah, I'm very much happy with that.
Okay, good to know. Okay, compared to last work from home, are you feeling more optimistic or pessimistic?
For me, there is no optimism working from home. I do not like this idea, this concept of work from home thing at all. Obviously, there are few perks when you are working from home, like you do not have to get up and get ready and do the little things that you have to do while you go to office and everything. But still, God, I miss my team. I miss all of you guys, and I just can't wait to be things same as before.
Okay,
Yeah.
good to know.
That's
Okay,
it.
my last question for you.
Asad, just a minute. I still remember Misbah came to me just 2 days before we, announced the work from home. She said, "I need work from home by tomorrow." Why you
I
always
remember
asking
that.
for
No,
money?
that
I remember
there
that.
was some other agenda behind it. There was some other agenda behind it.
I remember that happened, and you were like, sir, I will work
And
from
the
home.
next day I was at office, right?
Obviously, you have to.
May-
What's the
no,
next
no,
question,
No,
Asad?
I didn't have to. I didn't have to, but I
Wait,
was
let's
there.
go. Next question.
Okay, so the last question for Misbah is, Misbah, as a business development executive, you can get responses from your client at any time, I guess 24/7. So will you please let us know, are you an early bird or night owl?
You can say I am something in between. Like I can be a night person as well, but because given the situation that we have to get up early for work and everything, so usually 12 is my maximum limit. I go to sleep at 12, but at weekend things are a little bit different. But obviously we are always available if there is some communication, some client is there. So even if we have to wake up whole night, we do that. But answer to your question, if you're asking which bird I am, I don't know which, but I am a bird and I do whatever suits me best at the time.
Okay,
Are you a
but I
bird?
was asking about the owl,
Yeah,
not the bird.
with wings.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
she's
where are
Cato.
so
She's Cato, not owl, not bird. She's Cato.
No, I am bird. I like to fly.
okay, good to know.
Over Nanga Parbat.
Okay, so we have
Yes,
Mr.
over
Danish
there.
Amit, business
And
development
Kato.
executive. Okay, so we have business development head Mr. Danish Amit with us as well. So Danish, will you please help us? Will you please give us some tips or some motivational tips you can give so we can do better while working from home?
All right. The only
Don't listen to him.
tip from my side is that every one of you have to be, when you take the responsibility, when you think for a moment that you own this company, you're not an employee. When you're taking you as a part of the company, then trust me, you will work by yourself. You will work without time doctor. You will work without even asking for anyone. So when you get this responsibility that you have to work and you have to be, whatever your responsibilities are, so automatically you guys will do extra efforts. You guys will work from your heart, and this is the only key to success. If you're working from the heart, from without any enforcement or without anything, that will be the achievement for you guys, and this is the key to success.
Okay, good to know. Okay, at the end, with the consent of Mr. Danish Amit, here is a little announcement for all of you. After this call, you all guys can submit your account numbers, and Mr. Danish Amit will send you your ED. Okay.
Sure.
Oh my
I
God.
already sent the ED to SAS Clinic, so you need to send SMS, and you guys will get the ED, and all the
And get vaccinated as well.
yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. It was
Thank
really
you,
fun
everyone.
activity with all
Thank
of you.
you.
And
All right, thank
hope
you
this
very much.
lockdown will end soon. And we will
Take
join
care.
Thank you,
together again in office.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Inshallah.
Bye.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Have a good
Bye.
day.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.